Pushing random people in Ragdoll Engine because we're bored. Yay! Let's go. I'm offended by this lady. I shall push her now. We're gonna push this slender dude, okay? There we go. Now let's run. Whee! Okay, so I'm gonna push her because she offended me very much. And don't call me a Karen. Oh, I'm gonna get